Ningizimu Afrika ngibingelela kakhulu emndenini wamabhinqa njengomongameli wamabhinqa. Igama lami ngumngizo umlando wasemachunwini. Ngishabashekise inkululeko yabantu umnyama obhinqayo nozaziyo ukuthi imvelaphi yakhe ithi. I say today kubo bonke amabhinqa ngicela siphelele emcimbini waseMetro FM Music Award. Inkosi yenu izobe khona. Ukulwa kwami ngulwile kube ukulwa okuhle siqhubile mabhinqa. We have got the benefits, and next awards I can assure you ukuthi lokho esasikulwela ko multi choice njoba kwadlalwa ama music awards omaskandi ama music videos omaskandi later namhlanje we have achieved, and uICASA have accepted ukuthi bazoyiluka closely into a transformation. And the Metro FM they have started, because only urban stations they can have a weight and transform, because they are called commercial radio stations. And when those commercial radio stations willing to transform, what about public radio stations? Because FM and other radio stations, they've been long time undermined. Today we are free. I'm standing here and to tell you that today Binga Nation is free.